suck your blood.
Hi everyone, I'm Mickealy from the Brainary. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to create the code script from our recent Halloween video with JD. Before I get started, make sure to give this video a like if you'd like to see similar tutorials in the future, or consider subscribing if you haven't already. So Easy Robot Products use Synthium's Arc software to control the robots. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download the platform. It's super easy to use, and I suppose I should start by saying that I have not had a lot of experience with programming robots before, and I think that just goes to show how easy this is to do and how easy it is to pick up. Okay, so first thing you want to do is turn on JD. We'll make his little hello noise. Then we'll connect him to the internet just through Easy. Okay, and then we'll connect to the platform. There he is, he's all ready to go. Okay, so we are going to be coding using the Blockly workspace today. So we'll go up into here, into Blockly. All right, and now we can begin. Okay, so first I want to add in some audio, and I'll go say easy B wait, because I want JD to finish the action before starting the next action. So we'll go this one, and we'll add in some text. Okay, and I want him to say, we'll do it with a V and see what happens, and you can press start just to see what he does.
I want to suck your blood.
Okay, so I don't like the pronunciation of that, so we're going to change this. You can play around, it doesn't need to be spelt exactly right, so I'm going to put an O there. See how that works.
I want to suck your blood.
Beautiful. Okay, next I'm going to do a loop. I'm going to do repeat while. Okay, because I want JD to be making a laughing gesture at the same time as him laughing. So we'll do repeat while, and we'll do movement, and we'll do audio position. Okay, so his head movement, I want him to be sort of throwing his head back and laughing. So we'll go head bob. Okay, and next we want him to be laughing at the same time, so we'll go audio and this one, put in some text. Okay, so we'll write mwahaha, see how that works.
I want to suck your blood. Wahaha.
Okay, I don't like the way that sounds, so I'm going to split these up. I'm going to go audio, this one, text. Okay, I'm going to go and then I'm going to do one more of those. I'm going to copy and paste it underneath. All right, and I think I'll be happy with that. We'll give it a go.
I want to suck your blood.
All right, and there we have it. As you can see, Easy Robots are super easy to use, and they are a great introduction to robotics and programming. If you'd like to see similar content from us in the future, be sure to leave us a like and a comment below to let us know, and consider subscribing to keep up to date with everything we're doing here at the Brainary. Okay, until next time, bye!
Goodbye, see you next time.